In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collapse or expand multiple toggles at once in Notion. This is a handy feature that streamlines your workflow and helps you stay organized when managing information in this versatile tool. So let's dive right in and make your Notion experience even more efficient. First, you'll need to start by heading over to your connected workspace in Notion. This is where you keep your wiki, docs, and various projects. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into Notion. You can do this by clicking on the Login button from the Notion website. Use your credentials to access your account, and once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Notion home. From the Notion home, the next step is to navigate to the specific page where you'd like to work with toggles. Go ahead and click on the page you have in mind. Now, once you're on that page, it's time to add a toggle list. To do this, simply type in the / symbol, followed by the words toggle list. This command will bring up the toggle list option, where you can create collapsible and expandable sections for better organization of your information. The beauty of using toggle lists is the way they help in neatly packing information that you might not need immediately on display, thus decluttering your page. It's a powerful way to manage content, especially if you're dealing with large amounts of data or complex projects. Now, you may want to expand or collapse multiple toggles at once. Unfortunately, Notion doesn't have a built-in feature to do this directly, but there's a workaround that can make your life simpler. One effective method is to hold down the Control key on your keyboard as you expand or collapse a toggle. This will allow you to perform the same action on other toggles, streamlining what could otherwise be a tedious process of clicking each toggle individually. Also, keep in mind that using toggle lists and collapsing or expanding them strategically can significantly enhance the legibility and clean appearance of your page, making it easier for you to navigate through your content at a glance. Whether you're project planning, note-taking, or compiling research data, mastering toggles in Notion can help you store information efficiently and keep everything you need right at your fingertips. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage multiple toggles in Notion effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in optimizing your Notion workspace. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks. Happy Notioning!